Welcome to another episode of Roofing It Right with Dave and Wally. Obviously, I'm Wally.
And I'm Dave.
And we have Mr. Brad Clark here with GIF. What is your position at GIF, Brad?
I'm the Senior Product Manager of Adhesive, Sealants, and Primers.
It's a mouthful. So he's the glue dude, right? So what are we going to talk about today, Brad?
Today we're talking about an industry first that we have for us, and that is our adhesive, primer, and cleaner in an aerosol format. So we have great formulas here, and what we've done is we put them into an aerosol form. So a little more convenient, especially for the repair and maintenance, which, you guys did a great video talking about the repair and maintenance, the importance of that. So we wanted to make some products that would be easier for some of the customers to use when they're doing those jobs.
So we have the adhesive, primer, and the cleaner all in a aerosol format.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What are the other things we have here in front of us?
So, if you were to do those today with our current suite of products, we have our adhesives, we have our primers and our cleaners, but to carry one of these up on the roof may be a little cumbersome. It may be a little difficult to carry a hose up, and then you have to have your gun cleaner and your adhesive. You have to clean the hose out if you're done, and you're not going to use it again for a little while. So instead of having to carry some of this bulky material up, that's why we put them in the aerosol.
So these are all good products.
Absolutely.
There's just another advantage for a contractor for something smaller, maybe repairs, that type of thing, correct?
Exactly, yeah. Grab a couple cans, throw it in your bag, throw it in your bucket, and you're good to go.
Okay, so what is the shelf life on these products?
So since these are the same formulas as the larger format, for the adhesive and cleaner, that's a 2-year, and for the primer, it's our 18 months. One of the things we did is we also color-coded the packaging on these as well. A lot easier to identify than if they were the same color. You're up on a roof, you just say, hey, give me the one with the red stripe, or give me the white can. A lot easier, because you definitely don't want to mix up a cleaner and a primer or even an adhesive.
So can you buy as a contractor? Me and Dave want to go and buy onesie, twosie of these. We got them by the case. How are these distributed?
We have 12 per case, and you can buy them by the case, or if your distributor wants to sell them by singles, that's perfectly fine too.
Perfect.
So Brad, what's coverage rates on these?
On these aerosols, it's up to 25 square feet, condition dependent, obviously.
This is very cumbersome, all right? The old traditional 1121, you had to have these, and you had to have several people with these putting your adhesive out. Then we came to this, one guy, two guys doing a 100-footer, perfect. Now this, stick it in your hip pocket, come up on the roof, spray your curb or whatever it is. So we've went from this to now this. I think it's a home run.
Another great thing too is cleanup as well. When you're done with these, simply put the cap back on and you're good to go.
Yeah.
Stay tuned with other videos at jf.com/roofingItRight.